Hello everyone, welcome again. And today in this demo, we are going to see the demo of a smart city information project. And from the technical side, technology side, it's using JSP, Servlet, and HTML, CSS, it's J2E project in Java, and it's following MVC architecture and using Maven as a build tool. And for to manage the backend, it's using MySQL database. So here is the database which is using MySQL workbench, and the backend database server is MySQL. So these are the table we have: place, city, requested, types, and users. Under the user table, we have multiple records. So we have two types of user role in this project. The first one is an admin, and the second is a user. So let's run the application and check the features and functionality of the application. So if you have already taken this project from Codebun, or if you want this project, you can connect us over the WhatsApp or Skype, and we'll share the complete detail with you, and also will help you to run the project at your machine. And after that, once we will leave that project at your machine after setup, you need to follow this demo in order to execute the application. So how can we run it? So I'm just going to stop my server and right click on the root folder of the application here. Go to run on server, click on select the server and click on finish. Automatically it will launch at your browser, selected browser, and this will be the home page. Here we have some dummy content and a login and registration option. So when user will click, this register sign up option will be displayed, and when you hit the login, it will display the login option, and here we have a new registration. Okay, so first login as an admin and check what admin can perform, then we'll move to the other user one by one. So when I go to the database and I check the user table, here is the credential for admin. So I just enter them here and hit the login button. So admin can log in and admin can check the list of registered user. Also we have search operation here. So if admin want to search, admin can search the user by its email, and also admin have access to delete the user. If as an admin I want to delete any user, I can delete it like this. Okay, another city section, as an admin I can add a new city. So let's suppose I want to add a demo city. So demo city as an image. So I'm going to just going to use a dummy images. So let's take this text image as a city image, and I just enter the description and save it. When I check the city list, I can see the newly added city here. Also I can edit and delete the cities if required. When I hit the edit, and let's suppose I want to change the description, I change the description, and again I have to upload the image. So while you are editing any records, make sure you are uploading image every time. And now it's updated, and the description will also update it now. And if you want delete any record, by clicking on this delete button, you will be able to delete the records. Type, here we can type the different types of series, and under the type list you will see what are the different types development we are going to perform into the CD. So let's suppose new, so let's say development, let's say I'm going to IT sector. I want to implement IT sector, choose the image. I'm going to just add one image here, this image, submit. Another type list, you will see the IT sector here. A city type, like what's the amenities are available into the city. It's all about the type. Places, I can add multiple places into the city. Let's suppose I want it the demo city. I want to add one place, IT sector. So I want this in this demo city, we are going to set this sector and the place name. So I'm just adding the place name. I want to add some image. So let's suppose add some other image. Okay, I'm going to add this image, description, save, and the places will display here. Also, if I want, I can delete those places. Request is late. If any investor log in as a user and wants to send a request to the investment, the request will be displayed here, and admin can perform the response from there. Also admin can log out. Now in the parallel, I'm going to register as a new user and going to log in as an investor, what they can do. So I just open my private window, and here I'm going to log in as an existing user. If you are a new user, you can register from here by selecting, by filling up this form. And to save the time, I'm going to use the existing record. So this is my user newly added, and I just enter the username and the password here. I hit the sign in. Okay, so I need valid email and password. Okay, sorry, here's the username, I guess. I'm not sure what's okay. Okay, it's updated. The record is updated. We have deleted this user. So now this is the user. So I'm going to just log in with this user email and the password. Hit the sign in, and now I can check the list of cities, the demo city that we have just added, and types and request. Okay, so let's suppose as this user I want to send a request for a developed or ID sector, and enter a request, send request. So this request will be sent it to the user. So if I go here and check my this admin side, the request will come here. I can send a response from here for this request. As an admin, I can send a response. This response is sent, and now responded, and here and to the user side, if I view it, I can check the, and this is the response that is coming from the admin side, and I can perform the logout and I can check all the lists. So this is the application, the complete demo of smart city information, and where investor can request for the different sectors, different investment. So this is a minor project, or you can use it as a major or in college as well. It's following complete MVC architecture, so you can see beans, controller, exceptions, so all the details are there. So it's running over the Tomcat server, and if you need the source code, just please ping over the WhatsApp or email or Skype to us. We have complete remote support, so will help us to run this project at your machine, and it will work same as source in this demo. Thank you.